Well, next to the stage, I want to welcome Kat Mozingo, also known as the dark R&B singer and songwriter Widow. She just joined the Conservatory of the Ozarks this year. She wants to reach new heights in her professional singing career. She was with the chamber choir at Kickapoo High School. She's had a few solo performances, including opening for Jacques, a famous R&B singer. And she has a real passion for writing as well. And with every song, you can tell she puts her own unique spin on it, creates a story that transcends that emotion to the audience. So tonight she'll be singing I'll Be Home for Christmas, and she'll be accompanied by Riley Laredo on the piano. She wants to dedicate tonight's performance to her grandmother. Riley Laredo, such a soulful rendition